Hi, Biryani by Kilo live now. We're going live with Niti Taylor today. So I think everyone knows her. She's quite popular. How many people have seen Kaisi Hai Yaariyan? Hi Niti, we are live now. We're waiting for you to send us the live request. Hi Mayur, hi Anoop. Hi Niti, can you send us? Hi guys.
Hello, hi, how are you?
Good to see you. You look very happy with you. Bombay, Delhi,
I am in Gurgaon, to be
Gurgaon.
precise.
Really? I'm in Gurgaon too.
Oh, yeah, where?
I'm in Sector 50, Nirvana.
Oh, I can't tell you where I stay. I'll tell you private way.
Okay. But good to see you are from Gurgaon.
Yes, my family is from Gurgaon. I was also born and brought up here only.
Oh wow.
Haryana se hu main. But I stay in Bombay.
You stay in Bombay. So you went to school here, college here in
I,
Gurgaon?
I went to school here. I was in Loreto Convent School, Delhi, Kent.
Oh wow. So
Yes.
you are a Delhi and Gurgaon girl. Eh? Good to.
हाँ.
But
I
you
don't like saying it, but yeah.
Bombay वालों को नहीं कह सकते. They judge you for
I love being a Bombayite.
Ajay love. I know everyone. But and I think you've achieved a lot in the 5-7 years you worked. But you started working quite early in your life. In movie.
I started early, but then beach mein I left it also. So that's why people think I've worked in the industry for very long, but I've not counted that period where I've taken a gap and I've not worked. So when people celebrate my 10 years and all, I'm like, nahi hua yaar.
I know you're very young. I know you're very young.
Yes.
But started so your filmy career. How did you start? So,
My filmy career, so basically I came to Bombay to fill my college forms. ठीक
हाँ.
है तो उस दौरान मेरे को कोई एकदम मैं कोई मूवी देख रही थी और मेरे को बालाजी से कोई कॉल आया कि
Wow.
लिसन कम फॉर एन ऑडिशन तो मैंने बोला भाई फर्स्टली आई एम न्यू टू बॉम्बे दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम दे लाइक नो आई सेड यू गॉट द रॉन्ग नंबर दे सेड नहीं आप आ जाइए आई सेड यार ऐसा नहीं है एंड देन दे आई सेड चलो आई वाज बोर्ड सो आई वेंट एंड देन दैट्स हाउ माय सफर स्टार्टेड माय
First start.
एंटायर जर्नी
और फिर होता चला.
then yes then it never stopped and beach mein yes I left it for 1 or 2 years and then I came back.
तो वो स्ट्रगल वाली स्टोरी नहीं. तो वो कि
Your voice is breaking.
बेटर है कुछ.
हाँ
तो कोई स्ट्रगल वाली वही वैसी कोई सॉफ्ट स्टोरी नहीं है स्ट्रगल वाली.
no of course hai. See, once just because you get a show doesn't mean you don't struggle after that. You struggle a lot. And I think for an actor, once a show is over, you have to start all over again. You have to climb the stairs all over again. So I think that is one. I've had a lot of struggles. It's just that this face never shows it and tells it. So never, no one comes to know what all I go through. So
What do you go through? Tell us.
no, I can't. Private life, daddy has always taught me keep it to yourself. Zyada public mat karo.
But you like Bombay, you like the acting bit, right? You like the acting bit.
Yes, I love Bombay. I like the acting bit also, and I love the entire vibe of Bombay better than Delhi for me. इधर
अच्छा.
दोस्त भी नहीं हैं और
बॉम्बे
क्या
लोग
बोलूं मैं आगे.
चलो तो we will आराम से बात
करेंगे साइड में खोपचे में करेंगे हम.
करें. और आपने म्यूजिक वीडियो भी काफी करा. How do you enjoy that?
I love doing music videos. I love doing them. And always, whichever music video I've done now, I've done it under such circumstances कि जो बाहर निकल के आया है is so much better than I imagined, or so much better than we shot.
So you like the झटके झटके Bollywood dance, all that.
मैंने कभी लटके झटके डांस तो किया ही नहीं अभी तक.
Music
But
video. So music
नहीं,
video.
mine is always
Oh really? अच्छा.
really. If you see any of my music video, I've never danced, and I was like, एक बार ही मौका दे दो, एक बार.
I'm sure कोई ना कोई सुन रहा होगा, आपको मौका देगा, कोई ना कोई सुनता होगा.
Inshallah, I hope so.
So you enjoy the dance part. So you love to do a Bollywood movie. झटके झटके
No, Bollywood movie नहीं करना.
नहीं करना.
नहीं. That's always like TV. You know, a lot of people question me, why Neeti? Why do you want to do TV? But I love doing TV, and my mental thought is always छोटो only, and I'm okay with it. अगर you know, a lot of people like movie में क्यों try करते. It's not that I've not got offers. If I ever open my Pitara, there are so many movies that I've got offered which I have said no. I remember one casting director, he's like, आप ना कैसे बोल सकते हो? I'm like, what do you mean? My sister saying she loves your biryanis.
Oh wow.
For my engagement, we actually ordered for my mehndi, which was at home. We ordered biryani by kilo.
Wow. You take that. So
We
you
love. You have no idea. My
Okay.
in-laws introduced me to biryani by kilo, and it
Wow.
was just like amazing.
wow.
Uske baad, I always keep eating only. And the galati kebab is my favorite.
Mutton galati or veg galati?
Mutton. Sorry for all the non-vegetarians, but I'm a hardcore non-vegetarian, and I love the mutton Hyderabadi biryani. It's my
Wow.
favorite.
You know, you make that dish. तो आपको पता है ना कि आप मुंबई, पुणे भी, लुधियाना, लखनऊ, lot of
I know you guys are everywhere. I've eaten the maximum in Delhi because I have company, and you know होता ना चलो बिरयानी खाते हैं. अकेले में होता ना कि अरे यार पूरा कौन खत्म करेगा. But then you guys even started with half a kilo, so I was like sorted, and I can eat a lot. I eat. कहाँ जाता है? A lot of people think I'm fat.
But you got, I think you're open about it, so I can talk. You got engaged also.
Yes.
Yes. So you're happy. तो दिल्ली में ही settle हो रहे हो, बॉम्बे में कहाँ पर?
नहीं बॉम्बे में तो settle. बॉम्बे में I will work.
हाँ.
I've always said till the time I get work, I will work. Once I stop getting work, I won't work. Then I will do something I really love, and that's called teaching. I always wanted to be a kindergarten teacher. Always.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. So छोटे सपने ही हैं मेरे. But मैं बड़े शहर से आई हूँ, लेकिन छोटे सपने हैं. And it's, you know, whatever I get on my own willpower and everything, I will do it till I get it. And that's it. उसके बाद ठीक है. नहीं मिला तो मेरे को इतना वो टेंशन नहीं है कि ये करना है वो करना. Of course, I want to see myself really successful, but आराम से अच्छी तरह से.
No, you take part of it. So positive, so kind, and so easy going.
वो तो मैं हूँ. All the points you said.
No, very good. Really. God bless you. People will come to.
Sorry, I didn't hear again. बीच में कटा.
मैंने कहा अगर आप टीचर बन जाओगे तो सब लोग अपने बच्चों का टीचर करा देंगे आपके स्कूल.
अरे, I hope so, yeah, I hope so.
You love.
I love children, and I love these toddlers जिनको ना आप ABCD सिखा सको, and you know,
Oh,
my
really?
mom was a teacher, but not a kindergarten. She was EVS and English and थोड़े और senior classes. But I've always seen her. I used to go with her to school, so that's why I, you know, like really liked it. और मैं तब मम्मी बोलती थी, you know, Neeti, take care of the children. I'm coming. So that's how it started.
और आपको I think this where you were Nandini got very popular, right?
Yes, Kaisi Arya was my big break that I had, and it was amazing. It was like, woohoo! I'm famous now.
तो आप कहाँ गुड़गांव कब? और
It's been 4 months I'm here. I came for my mom dad's anniversary on the 12th. I thought I'll stay here till 23rd, and I think 21st को lockdown हो गया था ना?
हाँ.
Yeah. Yes, and I've been stuck here only, and now also I can go back to Bombay. But looking at the situation and everything, like now it's raining there, कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही रहा है. I'm like, once it all settles down, maybe end of this month I'll go back.
You'll go back. But
Yeah.
so, but why more like a city girl? Just more.
I like Mumbai more any day because I have friends there. Here I have family and I love the food here for sure. तो घर का खाना भी मिलता है. बॉम्बे में इतना वो अच्छा नहीं मिल पाता है. But वो अपनी वो because I'm so used to staying alone and all. I think I little bit miss that. Little bit.
Little bit. So Bombay close.
Yeah, but I think with these 4 months, 5 months होने वाले हैं with my family, I've never spent so much time. So you know, I'm stuck in a mall because my father has not come to pick me up. He's stuck in a meeting, so that's why I'm sitting in a kopcha.
Oh, which mall you are there?
Ambience mall.
Which I mean, oh, yes,
Ambience.
the mall. House it.
I came here to pick something else. Daddy said he'll come, and then he got caught up in a meeting. And mama and me are stranded here. So मैंने ऐसे call किया. I was like, please मेरे को बैठने के लिए जगह दे दो.
Is your mom there? Can we?
My mother, she's walking here and there. I tell her to come when
Tell
I
her.
see her.
So, आप थोड़ी what kind of character like they character positive
So the characters that I like can be negative also. See, negative is Jennifer Wingate. Like, अगर काम करो तो वैसा करो. For me, that is it. Like she's like a killer, super good actor. And if you want to do a role negative, I think you should come in Indian television and do that and create magic and create history so that people like me can talk about her. So I really believe in that. And
Jennifer.
positive तो हर कोई करते हैं यार.
So you like the Jennifer Lopez? She did. She okay.
She's done lots of series. She's done movie also.
हाँ.
हाँ.
Have you done any negative roles?
You know I did. It was a very लल्लू negative role, but मैंने किया. मैंने किया. वो बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं में था. So I did बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. I was playing Ram Kapoor's daughter.
हाँ.
And उसमें I was playing negative.
हाँ.
But because I was a baby that time, so I was playing baby negative.
Baby negative. उतना negative नहीं था. पर आपकी
तो
you have such positivity in your eyes, such smile. How will you play negative? मुझे थोड़ा negative करके दिखाओ.
मैं करके दिखाऊं.
हाँ.
तो अभी नहीं होता ना. अभी पहले बचपन में कुछ भी कराते थे ना डायरेक्टर लोग. अभी करवा के दिखाए. अभी तो
थोड़ी
you know I can't get angry when I have an anger scene ना.
नहीं मुझे
Directors have given me like shouting, Niti, show your angry face now because of these things that I have. दिखता ही नहीं है शक्ल में.
मुझे
चाहे कुछ भी कर लो. कुछ भी कर लो.
हाँ,
I try so hard, it doesn't happen.
वही मैं कहता हूँ, आपको देख के नेगेटिव वाइब आप दे पाओगे.
नहीं दे पाते.
You are born happy. You are generally happy.
I'm a very happy person. That's what I'm saying. Even if I'm going through something ना, no one, एक third person या second person को भी नहीं पता चलेगा.
अच्छा अंदर
Yeah.
से अंदर पर मुंह से नहीं पता कि
नहीं मैं दर्द में नहीं हूँ मैं. I'm very happy. I always see the positive in everything. That's what my mother and father have taught me and my sister because she's watching this interview. But that's what everybody has taught me always, you know, to find the positive side in everything. Even if something really bad is happening, it's fine.
it's fun. No,
Yeah.
I think you must be happy. आपके मतलब you have a lot of friends.
No, so I have very selective friends.
Okay.
और मेरी इंडस्ट्री से फ्रेंड्स नहीं है. मेरे सारे जो कॉलेज और बाहर जो मिले हैं वो फ्रेंड्स है. So I hardly have any industry friends. I don't know why because I think you should draw a line and you should also know that how normal you are. That's why people relate to me a lot because you know, after shooting and all, I come back to my normal life. I know कि मैं ऐसी झल्ली हूँ और मेरे friends भी मेरी तरह झल्ली ही है. So there is no like if you even meet me, I will not have like an oh actor. They'll be like, "Hey, कितनी प्यारी है ये." It's like that.
No, you state of you live in Gurgaon. round.
Yeah.
हाँ.
See, I'll tell you how I am. Okay, so अगर आप club जाओगे, ठीक है, if you see an actor, they will be booking a table, they will be going to the VIP area, the DJ will be saying their names. मेरा तो DJ नाम बोल दे मैं खुश हो जाती हूँ. But I go and I dance with the people because I love pushing people. I just love it. I love. मुझे ऐसे में तो डांस में मजा आता है यार.
हाँ. तो
Like,
जिंदगी में आप सारे नॉर्मल मजे लेना चाहते हो, अच्छे वाले
and
मजे.
yes, and I think that's how you should live life because that will always keep you grounded. Otherwise, जो आप इतना हाई फाई जीने लगते हो ना, फिर
No, I think I must bring up something like so well, so counted of, और आप
वापस बीच में आवाज चली गई.
सॉरी, मुझे आपने कहा यू आर नॉट वेरी होगा क्या ड्रीम कुछ
I still,
पर्टिकुलर.
I still can't hear you.
ओके सॉरी, आई थिंक आई डोंट व्हाई. कैन यू
हाँ
हियर मी
थोड़ा.
बेटर?
Yes, yes, yes. This is better.
दिस बेटर. हाँ. तो लाइफ में अभी भी आई नो यू सेड यू आर नॉट वेरी एम्बिशियस, बट फिर भी क्या ड्रीम्स हैं, क्या एम्बिशंस हैं, क्या
No,
करना
no,
चाहते
I
हो?
am ambitious, but I'm not over ambitious. Like, I
ओके.
know what I want.
हाँ.
Like, you know, that's why people don't take me very seriously because they see a smiling face and I'll be like, ठीक है, अगर ये नहीं हो तो कुछ और होगा. अभी अंदर ही पता है ना कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. But no, I am. I always have said, and when I work, you should see the way I work. Like, I will shoot for 20 hours and come back in 4 hours to shoot again. That's me. And I love
नो नो
shooting. So it's
नो
like
शूटिंग.
in my blood, in my head, in my mind, everything.
तो घर पे और दोस्तों से थोड़ा दहली गुड़गांव में भाव मिलता है आपको कि यू आर द एक्ट्रेस?
कभी कभार मिलता है, कभी कभार
थोड़ा
मिलता है. But most of the time नहीं, because my friends know me for years before I was an actor. So
हाँ.
नहीं मिलता है. I'm very what do you say in Bombay Tapori language? I'm very khati with my friends.
Got it.
Yeah.
और खाने और आपको क्या पसंद है, खाने में क्या
और मैं
पसंद है?
अपने हाथ से खाती हूँ. So I love eating with my hands. चावल मैं क्या खाती हूँ? I love biryani. Mutton biryani is my favorite.
बिरयानी बाई किलो की.
बिरयानी बाई किलो की, मटन हैदराबादी बिरयानी और गुलौटी कबाब. भाई, it's my family favorite. It's not only mine. It's my
नहीं नहीं,
family.
you make my day. Thank you so much.
And I
What?
am going to be trying Lucknowi biryani
हाँ.
very soon. Yes,
I know.
I've been
I
told it's very very tasty. So I
very
was like,
tasty.
चलो अब तो
पर
order
पर लखनवी बिरयानी, I would tell you, is not very spicy. It's very
I know.
gentle, flavorsome, but very gentle, different. हाँ.
Different, yeah. I know, but we are ordering
I think
more
on 11
Hyderabadi biryani and
also.
Lucknowi biryani. हाँ.
आपने
So
आपने बिरयानी बाई किलो का मटन निहारी या मटन कोरमा ट्राई करा है?
नहीं, अभी मैं करने वाली हूँ.
नहीं, तो we'll take care. I think you will, if you like mutton so much, you'll enjoy the mutton nihari also.
अच्छा, okay. I
हाँ.
will. I
हाँ.
would love to try it.
And have you tried the firni? हमारी फिरनी है गुलाब
I have
जामुन.
eaten. It's
I
world
think
class for me.
world class.
You know, मुझे
Okay.
लगता था कि बॉम्बे के मोहम्मद अली रोड में बेस्ट मिलते हैं, but no, you guys, it is so nice and it is not very sweet also. It's
No,
like
no, 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 no.
it's just right.
It's just right. No, no, you make my day. What else do you like? So you're not the pizza burger kind of girl?
नहीं.
नहीं
I am
नहीं.
very आप मेरे को I'm telling you, लॉकडाउन के टाइम मैंने सिर्फ घर का खाना खाया और that's
Hmm.
it. और मुझे वही पसंद है. I don't like anything else.
Okay, okay. No, no,
I
you are
was happy.
very
I was sorted
happy.
with all the vegetables, with all what I was getting at home.
तो लॉकडाउन में कुकिंग कौन करता है? मॉम कर रही है, सिस्टर कर रही, कोई और कर रहा है, थोड़ा आप भी करते हो, कौन करता है?
Initially, when the lockdown started, मैंने बहुत मेहनत की. मम्मी ने कभी कभार बनाया. फिर अभी हमारी दीदी आ गई है वापस.
आगे.
Our
But
दीदी is back, so we are rested.
but you like to cook a bit?
I love cooking. I
Okay.
love.
So what
Yeah.
do you cook?
I have cooked everything. I just don't know how to make roti. अभी तक नहीं आई. मम्मी ने बहुत ट्राई किया. She gave up. She's like, I can't deal with you. She just left the kitchen
But
and went.
But otherwise, you can make dal, sabji,
I
curry, or
make
some.
very good dal, very good sabzi. I make chicken biryani, but I've
Wow.
never made mutton. मैंने mutton नहीं try किया because वो time लगता है ना गलने में, so I'm scared.
No, no, chalo. I'll connect with you. I'll love to try your chicken biryani. I want to see how you make.
Done, done, done.
है ना? और
किसी ने लिखा है mutton korma is discontinued.
but mutton nihari is there. Mutton korma,
Mut-
I think, for a small time is discontinued, if at all. I think.
yeah,
Huh.
because I think yeah,
Huh. Huh.
I don't know.
Any questions you want to take from your fans? I think a lot of people are writing to you.
Yeah, a lot of people are writing to me. So hello everybody. So sorry,
Huh.
I got so busy talking. I was very excited. So all of you who was asking for season 4 again, I will say, guys, please contact the producers and the channel. Don't contact me. I'm just an actor. I will act. And my mom is doing well. She just went for a walk and she's not come back. She's gone there. And lots of love to you all. Everybody saying hi to me. Hello,
Hi.
hello.
Mundra Garima is saying, please say my name once.
You know, guys, I don't say anyone's name because everybody will feel bad, no? So hi to all of you.
How
I'm
do you
wishing
love
you all so much happiness. Somebody saying Zara.
Zara.
No, guys, I'm in some corner of the mall.
आपका पेट नेम क्या है घर पर? Is it Niti only or something else?
I can't say because when I say it, no, everybody is like, they call me that.
They call you
No,
that.
I have. Okay, you can call me Fountainhead.
Fountain
Chiku.
Head.
My mommy calls me Chiku.
Chiku. but do you get confused by the Nikki Taylor? Nikki Taylor? लोग Nikki Taylor भी कहते हैं आपको?
अरे
और
मेरे
Nikki.
को लोग पता नहीं क्या क्या बोलते हैं नीति टेलर नित्या टेलर सब बोलते हैं. कुछ लोग ये बोलते हैं मैंने आपको देखा है, मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ, पर आपका नाम क्या है? I get a lot. I get this a lot.
And which are the songs I'm sure you love to dance. That's what you said. Which are the kind of songs you like to dance on?
I like all
More
exact Punjabi gaane.
Punjabi gaane.
Yes, all Punjabi songs.
So who are your favorite actors or actresses? Ranbir Kapoor, anyone?
Who are my listen? Abhi actors ke like right now the situation is so bad. I can't say anyone's name because anything can happen. But singer, you know that the new guy who's singing all nice songs, na Punjabi songs. I forgot his name.
Not Badshah.
नहीं.
Mika, Nika.
हाँ ऐसे ही कोई था यार.
But you like the Punjabi?
I love
You-
Punjabi songs.
You Punjabi?
No, I'm Gujarati.
Who? You Guju? तो
I'm
गुज्जू
Guju from Gurgaon.
तो गुज्जू होके आप मटन खा रहे हो?
हाँ, they're very cool. They're very cool.
तो I think
Marinder Gaba. कोई है ना उसका नाम Mahinder.
Mahinder, is it true? अच्छा,
Yeah. अब मेरे को ऐसे ही I'm trying to remember.
eh,
Sorry?
नहीं. और how about any
Again it's gone.
कुछ पता नहीं क्यों आई थिंक इको कर रहा है. वेरी सरप्राइज्ड.
हाँ
कुछ
पता नहीं.
हाँ. And have you watched any new web series like Arya?
I've seen Arya, I've seen Preet. मिलिंद गाबा या नहीं
मिलिंद गाबा
नहीं है, कोई और है मिलिंद
कोई
गाबा
और है. मिलिंद गाबा नहीं है.
महिंदर कुछ है पता
महिंदर, हाँ,
everybody is actually guessing who sang. I think his last song was with सर्वकुन.
आप गाना गाते हो नीति?
नहीं.
नहीं.
Don't even ask me. People over here, they will just run away and they will tell me to get down. Mahinder Bhutta. Yeah.
Okay.
Mahinder Bhutta. Yeah.
Mahinder
Yes.
Bhutta. Okay.
You got it right, Shalu. 44. This was it. This is like a contest which even I didn't know.
Maninder Bhutta.
Yeah. He's really
इवन
good.
चलो आपने मनिंदर बुट्टा को और फेमस कर दिया आज.
He's got more followers than me. I think so. I don't know.
You have a lot of followers. I was just watching around 2 million followers. People love you.
Thanks. बहुत कमाया मैंने. बहुत मेहनत की है.
Have you done any regional stuff also? Telugu, Tamil, all that? You did?
I did.
Huh.
I did.
That's someone is saying very pretty smile. I think you must be getting all this a lot, right? Very pretty smile, very
Thanks.
pretty eyes. ये सब बहुत मिलता होगा आपको.
Thanks.
और कुछ
Yes.
anything you want to tell which people don't know about you? I think you are a very down to earth, very genuine person. कुछ और any idiosyncrasies you have?
I would love to say that everybody, there's so much happening in the world now. It's getting so crazy. You keep reading the news, something or the other keeps coming every day. I just want to say to people who are staying alone or even with your family, please reach out to your loved ones. And don't feel you're alone. Don't feel less of yourself. You deserve all the happiness in the world, and you may not know how many people love you, even if you can't see it. So just remember that and live life very, very happily, because a lot of bad things happen. They do happen to everyone. But it's how you deal with it and how you come out of it. So just know that you're not alone. A lot of people love you, and keep smiling and stay positive, watch positive things, and be around good people. Okay, that's it. I would like to say that.
No, I think a very, very positive message. पर कुछ आपकी tricks भी हैं. If you feel down, you watch any comedy, do something, listen to a
I
song.
listen to music. I think when I am sad, how I take out my sadness, I actually listen to sad songs, or I just cry it out, and I'm over it. I'm like,
Wow.
okay, now there's no looking back to this situation because it's gone. I can't do anything. If I can do, it's just forget it. Because इधर टेंशन लेके भी क्या फायदा? You're just spoiling the present situation, ना? Why to spoil the present situation?
No, I think that's a very intelligent. So रोज
Yes.
get some.
I again can't hear you. I think you have to hold your phone in your hand.
Okay. और हाँ तो और क्या anything now coming out कोई new कोई series anything music
No,
videos and
I'm supposed to shoot a series, but once things become okay, also guys, my parents are very they're very like they don't want me to work right now because they're very scared, and they just want me to be in good health. So for them it's that, and my parents are very protective about me. So also even we were supposed to shoot, but we actually shoot abhi aur bhi postpone ho gaya. So I'm very glad. So I hope it happens when things get better. That's why one reason I'm not going back. But also health is very important. So just remember that.
people are asking about the hair. What is the hair tip?
Hair tip. Arey guys, see my Instagram. See my YouTube channel, Taylor Made Stories. You'll know all about my hair.
I think people love you too much. Now I'm realizing the kind of love people have for you. I think people are just saying.
There was Kilo by Biryani before. पहले क्यों नहीं contact किया?
नहीं हमें नहीं पता कि आप जैसे. But I think what any other cuisine you like? Japanese, Italian. What else do you like? Or more Indian?
See, you took a name. I really love that cuisine, but since no, I like Italian. I like Chinese. I love Chinese, but Indian is my favorite cuisine. Indian is
favorite
heads
cuisine.
down. I can eat it every single day of my life.
Achha, I think some people are, everyone is saying love you. So some people are a bit concerned about safety. So I'd like to say that Biryani by Kilo ke website pe, we have put a safety standards tab. So where people can go and see, we are, sanitizing kitchen every hour. Biryani is cooked, dum cooked in the handi. It is delivered. So it's all sealed, tamper-proof sealed bag. So I'm saying everything is there. So don't be afraid. I think we are taking all
Yes,
the
because I've also tried it after the lockdown, and it's all
Uh,
safe. Everything comes. The packaging is done so well. Even when the rider leaves, there's a thermometer. Like they tell you how much the
yes,
temperature is. So everything is very safe, very
very
sorted. So don't get
uh,
scared. I'm
Don't
very
get.
good with promoting. Contact me more.
uh, nahin, nahin. So, what about shopping? Do you love to buy clothes? You are in mall. You love to buy clothes, shoes. Any particular
No,
fetish?
I am controlling because there's no point of shopping because kahin bahar nahi jana. My mother will kill me if I shop anymore.
So, but what is your fetish? More jewelry, more clothes,
Earrings, any day.
earrings. Oh wow! So more earrings and earrings. Huh?
Earrings. I have a lot of collection of earrings.
Oh, okay, how many earrings? Like 50 earrings, 100 earrings, 200 earrings?
More than 500.
Wow, 500 earrings. Oh,
Yes.
so you can wear a earring every day of the year and not repeat it.
Yes, I can do that for sure.
Okay, I think that's a good one. Any message you want to again? I think you give a very positive
I've
message.
given my message and I would
Yeah,
just say stay positive, guys.
stay
Reach out to
positive,
people
right?
who you love,
Okay.
and everybody loves you. Please don't think less of yourself ever. Just enjoy and
Hmm.
live each day as it comes.
Okay, thank you so much, Niti.
Thank you
Lovely
so
talking to
much.
you. Have a great day and
You
continue to
too.
love Biryani by Kilo. We really, really, I love you from my heart. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you. Take care. Bye. See you.